Hey, good morning or good afternoon, depending on where you are around the world. Wanda DePaulo here, fired up and grateful, guys. Just fired up and grateful for this morning. And I want to just give a big shout out to everybody that tried the app, to my girls out there that tried this app and enabled me to win this great training today with Diane Hochman. She was off the charts, guys. If you know her, boy, she got my blood rolling. I love her because she's authentic. She's raw. She's to the point. And but she came out and said, go out there, share value, share content. What people need. What do they want? Because it's about you out there, right? What do you want? What do you want to accomplish, and what are you willing to do for it? I got to tell you something. Being around high vibe people in this mastermind has been the wind beneath my wings. I love plugging in, being a part of, right? Getting my questions answered and learning and growing every day in this industry. I really believe that we have something really special here. And I know it. I know we have a quality product. And I want to share it with you guys out there. If you got a product or a service or a business, guys, for $25 for a price of a pizza, it's a no-brainer. And this mastermind and this community, I got to tell you guys, is more than I could ever imagine. Being a part of something much bigger than yourself and just being part of an organization that's just doing amazing things and growing. In the industry out here, in this online industry, guys, they'll sell you everything. They'll sell you all kinds of stuff that you don't need. So it's really important when you get involved in an online business that you hang around people that you know, that you trust, that they're working in the trenches, like Paul and Mike, like myself, like Diane Hochman. These people are playing the game to win, and they want you to win, and that's what I love. There's not many places that people want to see you win, but it takes you, right? It takes you plugging in every day. It takes you showing up. It takes you doing the value. So inside each and every one of you is something great. You have that talent. You have the ability to go out and share with the world. And people want to see the underdog win. How many people out there want to see the underdog win? I know I do. I love seeing the little guy overcome some challenges. And that's what you got to do. You just got to plug yourself in. You got to show up. You got to play the game. And you got to play it to win. So that's just my excitement to you. And I just want to say, Diane, thank you. You got me on fire, girl. And I just love you. I love that mastermind. I love each and every one of you on that call. You're all the wind beneath my wings. So I look forward to soaring like an eagle in 2024. Have an awesome day, guys. Here's my bird. She's going a little crazy. Yeah, she gets a little crazy when I get online. But I love you. I appreciate you. As always, do something good for somebody else in the space and know when they can't repay you. Have an awesome day.